The main centrepiece of the object is a branch and some leaves and some buds from, the scientific term is the Eucalyptus viminalis, called in the common tongue the manna gum. The leaves are very intrinsically linked in a post-colonial sense because these trees, they've definitely been growing since the university was founded as an institution. I just think it speaks a lot to the relationship between the place that is the Parkville campus and the time that can be frozen, that's not in a photograph, but it speaks to past and present and future generations as well. I've always had this connection with the trees of this world, and then learning that this tree specifically is so important to the Wurundjeri mob really meant a lot to me, and I understand their connection, and I've learned so much here through just listening to the land and the people.